This video will talk about ways you can help your child develop strong grasping skills. Grasping is a fine motor skill that allows you to pick up and hold objects. It is during early childhood that children develop the most fine motor skills at once. So, it is very important to give your child opportunities to develop her fine motor skills while she is young. The grasp we usually use to pick up and move objects is called a tripod grasp. This grasp involves the thumb, index finger, and middle finger. The tripod grasp is the ideal grasp for handwriting because it will not cause your child pain or cause her to write slowly later in life. Young children work towards developing this tripod grasp through play, and it is usually developed by age 5. Here are some tips on how you can help your child develop the grasping skills of the thumb, index finger, and middle finger through play and arts and crafts. Using scissors at around age 3 or 4 is a great way to work on developing a tripod grasp. The correct way to grasp scissors is to put your thumb in the top hole, put your middle finger in the bottom hole, and put your index finger underneath the bottom handle. The ring finger and pinky finger should both be curled into the palm. The position of the fingers and thumb when you use scissors correctly is similar to the position of the fingers and thumb when you use a pencil correctly. This means that if your child works on scissor skills, he will be getting his hands ready for using a writing tool. There are some important notes about working on scissor skills. Using scissors is not easy for children, especially when they first start. You can help by showing them how to use scissors properly. Your child should be using her preferred hand to use scissors. Children who prefer to use their left hand can use left-handed scissors. The child can then use her other hand to hold the paper. Both her thumbnails should be facing up while she is cutting. Children first learn how to make little cuts before they can cut across a piece of paper. So, as your child is first learning how to use scissors, consider giving her things to cut that are not paper, such as licorice, straws, or Play-Doh. Because cutting with young children can be messy, consider working over newspaper or over a cardboard box to help make cleanup easier. Finally, remember that with young children, using scissors requires supervision because the blades are sharp and they could cut themselves. You can also help your child start using the thumb, index finger, and middle finger separately. This will help when they need to use these fingers together to grasp. Some examples are playing with finger puppets, making hand shadows, and finger painting. Play and do activities that involve just the thumb and index finger to help work towards a tripod grasp. For example, your child can pick up coins and drop them into a slot like a piggy bank. Your child could also play or make arts and crafts with small objects like beads or small rocks, or can pull small objects out of Play-Doh. Finally, your child can simply play and do activities that work on this tripod grasp. There are many ways your child can do this, but here are a few examples. Your child can practice using chopsticks, make cards with stamps and stamp pads, draw with short crayons and pencils, paint with a paintbrush on an easel, play with eyedroppers or syringes and colored water, paint with a Q-tip that has been cut in half, draw on the sidewalk with thick chalk, play with blocks and Lego, make jewelry using string and beads or Cheerios, play with stickers, use clothespins to pick up objects or to help you hang up clothes, and use tongs or tweezers to pick up small buttons or small erasers hidden in rice or sand. Also, encouraging your child to do up his own zippers, buttons, and shoes will help him develop a tripod grasp and also help him be independent. If your child is just developing her fine motor skills, she may need to see you do tasks first. Showing your child how to do the task can help them learn the skill to do it on their own. To handwrite, it is best if a child develops a tripod grasp. You can help your child develop his grasping skills by providing him with the right play and arts and crafts opportunities.